Welcome to MTH Health. Today we're talking about Brazilian waxing without the pain. If you've ever been worried about the discomfort, don't stress. We're going to walk you through expert tips, tricks, and aftercare steps to make waxing as painless as possible. Stick around for everything you need to know. So, what exactly is Brazilian waxing? It's a method of hair removal that eliminates all or most of the hair from the pubic area, leaving behind smooth skin. Unlike shaving, which only cuts hair at the surface, waxing removes it from the root, keeping you hair-free for weeks. But is it always painful? Not necessarily. The right preparation and technique can make all the difference. Let's dive into some tried and true ways to make Brazilian waxing way less painful. Pick the right wax. Hard wax is gentler on sensitive skin and less painful than soft wax. Exfoliate beforehand. This removes dead skin cells and prevents hair breakage. Use a numbing cream. Applying a numbing cream 30 minutes before waxing can reduce discomfort. Go to an experienced waxer. A professional can remove hair quickly and efficiently, minimizing pain. Relax and breathe. Tensing up makes it worse. Take deep breaths and try to stay calm. Taking care of your skin after waxing is just as important as the waxing itself. Here's what you need to do. Apply aloe vera or a soothing lotion to calm irritation. Avoid tight clothing for a day to prevent friction. Skip hot showers and workouts for at least 24 hours. Exfoliate regularly to prevent ingrown hairs. Keep your skin moisturized for a smooth finish. Now let's bust some common myths about Brazilian waxing. Myth: waxing makes hair grow back thicker. Fact: it actually grows back finer and softer over time. Myth: waxing is unbearably painful. Fact: with proper prep, the pain is minimal and totally manageable. Myth: people with sensitive skin can't get waxed. Fact: choosing high-quality wax and following your right aftercare makes waxing safe for all skin types. And that's a wrap. Brazilian waxing doesn't have to be a painful experience. With the right techniques and aftercare, you'll be smooth and comfortable in no time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more beauty and health tips. Drop a comment below. What's your go-to hair removal method?